What's up everyone, today we are going to tear down the LG Stylo 5 disassembly. We need to take out the back glass. You need to heat the back glass if this is the first time this device is going to be open. Otherwise you can use this plastic tools to swipe from the edges down to all about the border. If you find it difficult, then heat the back glass at 200 Celsius degree for 30 seconds so the adhesive can be soft and then can be easy remove. There is no flex cable that could be damaged, but it's important not to go in the middle, just on the edges and the corners. We have in the back the fingerprint flex cable. It's on the white glass. Remove all screws from the board and then remove the plastic black shield. When you remove the all screws, you can remove it easily. On this plastic shield there is nothing. Unplug the battery, unplug front camera, unplug screen flex cable, remove SIM card slot. It's important to remove it before removing the board. Now you can remove the board from its place. The charging port here came with flex cable, with separate flex cable. You need to heat the flex cable so you can remove it without any damage with the flex cable. The charging port came with microphone. There is just two pieces in there. Charging port and the microphone. The charging port here is type C. Now we are going to remove the ringer, the loudspeaker. Alright. remove the front camera, the vibrator, the ear speaker. If you find it difficult, it's better to heat from the back and then remove it. All pieces there stick with adhesive on their location. Volume buttons came with flex cable connected to the board. And the power button came with flex cable connected to the board. You can remove it easily. And here we have the audio jack. You can remove it by heat it and remove it from the frame. That was all the pieces for the LG Stylo 5. Now you can make the full assemble. You can continue watching or you can just end the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to support me by subscribe and like. We'll see you in the next video. See ya! Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.